Hello, I saw your question on discussion board. You want to solve this exponential equation, 4 to 2x minus 1 power equals 64. Well, the technique they want you to use is to get the same base on each side. So we leave this base at 4, but you can rewrite 64 as 4 cubed. And once you have the same base of 4 on each side, you're allowed to set the exponents equal. So 2x minus 1 equals 3. Then you add 1 to each side, so that gives you 2x equals 4. You divide both sides by 2, and we get the answer x equals 2. If you were to take that 2 and you put it in here, that should work out to give you the answer. So let's see if I can do that. It would be 4 to the 2 times 2 minus 1. That would be 4 to the 4 minus 1. It would be 4 cubed is 64. And so you can see, if you put in 2 into this equation, you get 64. That's the answer. Hope that helps.